Revit is one of the efficient softwares which comes under the BIM technology, also using for MEP designs. Now I would like to show you how efficient Revit software is for creating MEP designs. I have already opened with Revit software. Now when we are starting a project, actually we need to start with the right template for starting the MEP design. So I am starting with the MEP template. So this is the interface when we open the software we are seeing. And as I mentioned earlier, after completing the architectural design and also the structural design, only the building services design is starting, and always we request the model or the BIM model created in Revit software to start with the design in Revit software. Here when we hover through the features of Revit software, we could see that architectural tools are available under the tab architecture, and structural tab refers to the structural design features. And for designing MEP systems, we have got one more new tab which is named as system. When you go through that, you can find HVAC system based panel is available, and plumbing design is completed with the plumbing design features under plumbing and piping panel, and electrical design is completed with the electrical panel, and which is available with all the tools for creating electrical designs. Okay. Now I would like to open one project to showcase how the design will be appearing once you complete the design for a building. So here I am opening one project. Right now I have opened a file which is having all the systems are completed. So you can see that HVAC systems are available here. So this is the equipment named air handling unit, one of the main equipment in HVAC system. And here you can find the chiller unit which supplies the chilled water to the HVAC system. So as per the heating and cooling load calculation only all the designs are done. So even HVAC heating and cooling load calculation is available in Revit software. Now let me show you the circulation network for HVAC system starting from the HVAC. So I am selecting, see this is the HVAC main duct which start from the air handling unit, and it circulates to all the levels or all the floors with its network connection there. And how this connection and the duct sizes are done is according to the calculation provided by the heating and cooling load calculation features. Okay. Now let's have a look into the floor plan, how it's look like in floor plan. So I'm opening ground floor HVAC plan here. Now you could see that there are three type of duct network with three different colors. So one is with the blue color which refers to the conditioned air input. Then return system is noted with the color magenta, and the exhaust system is noted with the color green. So these are the different systems like supply, return and exhaust systems in HVAC design. Now how it is designed is that, as I mentioned, we have got a heating and cooling load calculation tool which comes here in analyze. So when you go for heating and cooling load calculation, Revit will calculate all the heating and cooling requirements inside each room through the facility space creation. So these are the spaces which we are seeing in green color. Now that is already calculated here. When I am just selecting the space, we could see that how much quantity of conditioned air requirement is there. So this is 703.34 liter per second. And Revit is that much intelligent that if you are removing any item from the system, it will automatically update. So here it is showing that we have provided 875.00 liter per second actual supply, and when I am removing one of the diffusers, it means that that quantity is not supplying right now, and it will update automatically. That what the efficiency of BIM technology. Now you could see that it's showing 750 liter per second. So likewise all the designs are always coordinated with information inside the software. Okay. Now after completing the design, we have got the facilities for creating all the schedule and quantities as well as all the features of drawing, etc. So when I open the sheet here, if I want to create the sheet of this particular floor plan, I can just go to the sheet and I am going to create a new sheet here. And if I want to show the ground floor HVAC plan, I can just drag and drop that here. I want to make it in 1:100 scale. So let me change the scale of that one to 1:100 scale to fit into that particular sheet. Now it is fitting, and I can drag it to make it proper inside the sheet. So, and this can be taken for the printing. So this is how it works. Now when we go to the electrical design, we can find that electrical calculation is also possible. When I go to the electrical data, I am just opening the ground floor electrical plan. So, here this is ground floor electrical plan, and here also you can find that all the lighting fixtures are created already here, and each lighting fixture is efficient to show its physical characteristics. When I open this one, we could see that, so how much is the lux it is contributing inside the room. So, when you go to the properties, we could see that it is having 150 watt, 84 lumen per watt is the contribution it is giving to the room. Now, the total lighting inside the room, if you want to identify, you could select the space and we can see that it is having 645.25 lakhs it is contributing there. As per the standards, we can do all these details, and all the connection from starting of each lighting equipment to the panel is already done here. When you highlight that one, you could see that this is connected to the panel. Now, this system you can find that this is having a rating of 20 amps, apparent load is 900 VA. Like that, all the details we can extract from the software itself. Once you complete the electrical design, if you want to create the panel schedule, that is also possible. I can go to the panel schedule. So, LP1, EP4A and EP4B are the two panels here. When I open the panel schedule, you could see that the EP4A panel is having a total connected load of 42,300 VA, and demand load is same only, 100% demand is noted over here. So, likewise we can prepare, and just like previously I have shown the drawing creation or sheet creation, we can also create the sheet of this electrical design. Likewise, we are doing the plumbing design also with the tools available here. As I have shown here, all the plumbing tools are available: pipe creation, pipe placeholder and pipe fixtures. Everything is available to create the plumbing network. So, with that, all the features in Revit software are efficient to create all MEP designs. And if you want to prepare the fire protection network, that is also available. When you go to the plumbing system, we have got the sprinkler feature. With that sprinkler feature, we can create the fire protection network. That is also very efficiently we can calculate and complete. And communication network, if you want to prepare, that is available under the electrical system. We have got all the communication devices over here, and with that we can prepare all the communication network. So, with Revit software, we can complete all the MEP solutions like mechanical systems, electrical systems, plumbing and piping systems, and also any kind of communication network plus fire protection system. So, I would like to tell you that Revit software is always efficiently using in the industry, and it is very efficient for MEP design.